Hello everyone, my name is Satyam Raha. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be talking about the switch case in Java, which is basically conditional checking. Okay, just like if else, but it works in a different way. So you can see I have already written the code just to save time. Okay, so let's make it very quick. So int choice is a variable here which is assigned 3 for the time being, and this is how you can write the switch statement. Let's indent it, uh, indent it very quick. Yes, so you see switch in bracket we have choice, so this choice will get inside this particular variable. Okay, so now 3 will come here. Now we can have as many cases as we want. Okay, so it will just check choices value with the case values. Okay, whatever it whatever matches, say here it is 3, right? So it will match with case 3, so it will execute this piece of code 3. That's it. It is like if else. Okay, so you see, if I give maybe 0, so what will happen? This case 0, because the choice is 0 and this variable will get 0 here, so the case 0 will get executed. Fine. So when it gets executed, what will happen? When it matches, it will execute this piece of code. Okay, we can have maybe one more line. Say this out, say 0 plus maybe. So if I execute this code, what will happen is, see, 0 plus is executed, right? But along with that, all the others are also printed, isn't it? Now why is it happening? So in the last video we have already seen the break and continue statement, right? Here I said the break statement will be used in case of switch cases. So here we can use it. I will simply put a break here to make the compiler know that I want to stop it here. If it matches, if this case matches, I want to execute the code which is under case 0 and I want to break it right here. I do not want to execute the other cases, right? So I will just put break in all of the cases, after all of the cases. Okay, so let's put break. Let's put break here also. Let's put break here. Okay, let's not put break after this. Let's see what happens. So here choice is 0, so 0 should be executed. Only 0 should be executed, right? So 0 and 0 plus. Yes, only the piece of code which is under case 0 is executed. Now if I put 1, which one should be executed? Case 1, that is 1 will be printed. Yes, fine. After that it is breaking. Break means it will simply break the switch case. It will come out of the switch case. Okay, you can understand this. Let's print something here. Let's print out of switch, just to make sure of that. Okay, 1, then out of switch. Okay, now if I make it as say 3, what will happen? So 3 will be printed and then out of switch. Same will go for 4, but what about 5? If I put 5, then you see case 5 will match, and after that you see case 5 is matched, then there is no break after case 5. So what happens? The default case will also be executed. That is why greater than 5 is also executed, then it comes out of the switch case. That is the problem. That is why we should use the break statement. Now what is the use of default? Default means like else. In if else we used else, right? Same goes with default. If none of these cases actually match, then the default case will be executed. Let's put a break over here first. Then okay, you can put it's your choice. You can maybe put a break here, but it doesn't make any sense. Let's make it 50. So 50 or 509, say. So it is greater than 5, right? So only the default case will match. So see, greater than 5 is printed out of switch. So this is how your switch works. You can have a character also here. Maybe if I say put a, and here, sorry, not int, say char, right? And here I'll have to put like this. Okay, I can do it like this. So if I run this code, you see 0 0 plus and out of switch is printed. So I can have characters. Can I have strings? Can I have doubles? Let's check. Can I have 7.8 here? Let's say 7.8 and let's make it double. Will it work? See, there is an error. Okay, so type double cannot be used. Can I have string? Let's check it. Can I have string? Let's say I want to have SAT. So here, can I have SAT? Will it work? So there is some error. Type mismatch. Yes, one is int. Let's make all these as string. Let's just check whether it works. Okay, let's make it string directly. Let's put under the double quotes just to save time. Okay. Okay. So will it work if I execute this code? It gets executed. So string is allowed, but double is not allowed. Okay, integer is allowed. So is boolean allowed? Let's check it again. Boolean. Let's make it false, and let's say I want to put 2 over here. So let's make it false. Okay, so there is some error. Okay, cannot switch on a value of type boolean, so we cannot do it. Okay, so boolean cannot be used, but int can be used, string can be used, character can be used. Till now we have seen these data types and it can be used. So breaks are used here only to stop the case right where the case has made the condition. If case 2 is correct, then it should only execute the corresponding code under case 2. It should not execute all the following codes. Okay, that's why we require the break statement here. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.